this day.
You look good.
This is my Greek goddess.
Yes.
Oh, Aphrodite. Let me give this one lighter. Yes, there we go. And now Pocahontas. I am so excited to share today's video with you. We are visiting with my very dear friend Kim, whose home I sold a little while back, and then I helped her buy this home that she's now in. And I've decorated a room for her and just been a part of the entire process of her creating her new home. And to get to be invited over for a girls' decorating party just really is the icing on the cake during this holiday season. So let's jump in. Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my home, and I am so excited that you're here today. We are counting down the days until Christmas. 25 days, 25 videos to celebrate the holiday season. This series is just absolutely packed with so many fun ideas. It's full of tips and tricks. It's full of shopping ideas and room makeovers. We just hope more than anything that you'll take away so much joy during this holiday season through this series. We're so delighted to have you here at the House of Valentina, and let's jump into today's video. Okay, so tell me, like, how do you go about your tree? Because you said earlier that decorating your tree is like decorating your house. Like,
Yeah.
This is a big deal for you.
It is a big deal, and all of my friends think I'm crazy.
So why do people think you're crazy? Do you just love it?
I overdo everything. Not just my tree, but everything, and why stop at my tree? So I just put a lot of thought into it, and I take a lot of time to do it, so this might take a minute.
Perfect. We're expecting that.
I did decide this year that I'm only going to do one tree, because I normally do 2 trees, and it's just me, and I don't need 2 trees, so I'm just going to focus on 1 tree this year.
So yeah, this is why we're friends.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
Exactly.
So what was your strategy? Because you came up with the black tree.
The black tree. So
yeah.
I don't know how it happened or what happened last year, but somehow I saw something online and I saw a black Christmas tree, and I'm like, oh my God, I need a black Christmas tree.
Yes.
I didn't need one, but I wanted one. Yeah. I don't need anything, but I wanted this black Christmas tree, and I didn't get it last year. I just painted the walls that are a very dark, almost black color, and
maybe somebody suggested that.
Just saying.
Influenced her just a little bit. I love it. It's so beautiful.
And so
if people are going to want to know what color it is, do you remember which color we ended up with?
It's called Carbon Copy.
Okay,
and
awesome.
I love it. So
that's awesome.
So I put it up, and as soon as I put it up, I was like, oh my God, this thing's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's very pretty.
And did you order ornaments for the tree, or are you using?
No, I'm gonna incorporate the ornaments that I have been using forever, and it's because I love them, and they're very traditional. And I thought about how it's going to work.
Yeah.
Because I've been using a green tree, and I have a lot of red and gold, and I'm not sure how that's going to look, but in my mind, I see it and I think it's going to be great.
That's awesome.
So that's
well, the worst thing you can do is just don't put them on if you put them up and you don't like it. So
yeah, no, I'm sure I'm going to love it.
I think you are too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Let's get started. No Christmas decorating party would be complete without fun drinks and snacks, and Kim has got a really fun recipe that she wants to show us to make a really cute Christmas drink. So I am so excited that you're going to show us your drink that you make, because I just struggled sometimes to find something unique that feels special for holiday occasions. So I'm excited for you to show me what you do, because you keep saying it's simple.
It's very simple. It is champagne, orange liqueur, and cranberry juice.
Okay.
And that's it.
And cranberries.
And cranberries. That's the garnish. So the garnish makes it look like a little Christmas tree when it's done. So
oh, yeah, I like this. And what about the greens here?
That's rosemary sprigs.
Okay.
So you just break them off, and again, just a garnish, and you drop it in there, and it just makes it look really Christmas.
So is this one of these like heavily intensive measuring kind of drinks?
No, it's just you eyeball it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I love the little jacket. It's
I know, it's got a little coat on. Yeah,
so
he's
cute.
dressed up for our video.
That.
So, and it's good champagne.
Yes, it is. This is my favorite.
All right, so we ready?
Yes, so
All
show
right,
us what
so
to do.
let's just start with the champagne. So
Okay.
we're gonna just pour a little bit into the flutes. So that's a good start.
So then you put the cranberry juice on top?
Yes.
Okay. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. I might put a little more champagne in there,
Okay.
just because I want more champagne than the cranberry.
I like the way you think.
So put a little more champagne.
Okay, so it was really
Just
almost 3/4 of the glass of champagne, a
Yeah.
splash of cranberry, but if you want to, you can always change the ratio.
Yeah.
If you want less.
and then just a little splash of the orange liqueur.
Okay.
To garnish it, a little rosemary sprig in there. And then the sugared cranberries. So these are easy to make. Basically, you buy the fresh cranberries in
Okay.
the fresh produce section, and you put a little bit of water and a little bit of sugar in a pot and bring it to a boil and drop these in.
A little bit of water, a little bit of sugar.
Yeah, like
Okay.
half and half water, half sugar.
Okay.
And then bring the water sugar mixture to a boil. And then you drop the cranberries in, and when you start hearing them pop, take it off of the heat, because
Okay.
otherwise it's gonna get soupy. Put them in a bowl of sugar and just stir them up, and then,
Okay, so
They're-
drain them
yeah,
and then
drain 'em.
put them in a bowl of sugar and just let them get nice and coated.
yeah,
Okay.
and put them on your little toothpick spear. And they're just for looks. You can eat them too, but and just put it on the side there.
Oh, how fun.
Isn't that
It's so
cute?
pretty.
It's a little Christmas drink.
This is so gorgeous. I can't believe how simple it was. It's
Super
amazing.
easy, yeah.
That's so cool. Cheers.
Cheers.
Each of us brought a little treat to share, and we just set the table with the little candle and the drinks, and it doesn't have to be complicated. I think that's what makes this so much fun, is that it's really about being together and laughing and having a good time. Now it's time for us to get back to work and decorate that tree.
I always do the top first because I like to get it, but like that's my starting point, and then I just work down from there. So my next step after I get the topper done, which I'm still probably gonna work on that a little bit, but I start putting all the picks in and start filling in holes. So picks first, and then the ornaments go in.
Well, I'm all for Christmas.
So I know the tree looks like it's done, and for some people this might be enough, but I want it covered. So the next thing I do is put the ornaments on.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so there's a trick that I learned when I took this. Yes, I took a tree decorating class. Most people would just hang them on here like that. That's not how you do it. So you put it on here, and then you wrap it around so that it's tight.
Oh, okay.
Just like that.
Game changer.
There you go. So that's it. So we're gonna start putting all the.
I always just put my little hooks on and then just squeeze them really tight.
Yeah, well, you can
Do
do
you
that
have ribbon
too.
on all of yours?
No, not all
Okay.
of them, but some of them come with a ribbon. So the ones that
Those
have
are so
the
pretty
ribbon,
with the ribbon on
yeah.
like that.
you just pop them on there and twist them around, and that way they're.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay.
Yeah. So there you go.
Awesome. So you've got pieces of ribbon.
Yeah, so I have 3 different types of ribbon,
Okay.
and you cut them in, like, say 12-inch lengths,
Okay.
and then you, what do you call it? Grab them together, I guess, with a pipe cleaner,
Okay.
and then you take them and you stuff them in the tree,
Oh,
And
so
it
then this just kind of sits out.
and it just like, yeah, it'll just kind of like
That's
cascade
cool.
down the tree versus wrapping ribbon around the tree.
See the little pipe cleaner. Isn't that clever? Kim's approach to putting together her Christmas tree is definitely a very maximalist approach, and I just love it because it is so her, and I really felt like I learned a lot today. I think it's a really fun idea to add extra things in, to fill in the holes, and to create a tree that just really feels like you. She finished off the tree by adding a fur skirt to the bottom, and then added pillows to the space. Kim's favorite place to shop is Pottery Barn. So many of these pillows and these accessories in this space, including the mercury glass and the cute trees and all the blankets and the sofa and the table, and actually almost everything in this room is from Pottery Barn. But that's because it's Kim's favorite store, and I kind of love that because she knows her style and she knows what she likes, and she's not afraid to be herself. And I think that is the best advice that anybody could give, is just to simply be yourself, own your style, and do you for Christmas. Thanks so much for joining us today. And of course, we're gonna put pictures up on the House of Valentina blog, and that way you can, save them to your Pinterest. And make sure to leave us a comment. Of course, hit the subscribe button and like, and let us know what you thought of some of these really fun tips and tricks, and if you will be using any of them in your own home. And we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.
Tell me one.
We just need your house.
Yeah. Yeah. Or just using your house.
You can go back upstairs again. We'll be done in 5 hours.
Thanks for having us.
Hold on, the lights are on the refrigerator. I don't know how long it takes to go off. I know, I was like...
Maybe I'll sit in here.
Okay.
It's wow.
3, 2, 1.